Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with your health. So, let's begin to start. Our today's video is about how to export database file into MS Excel CSV file. So, let's start. Let's suppose we have database. So this is the database browser for SQL. So here I'm going to select file menu and open the database. Select the open database for the exporting file. So click open database and select the path where your database is stored. I choose my folder digital forensic. So I'm going to choose Android database. So this is the database, and this database is let's suppose I have choose from digital copra, as I discussed in my last video that I introduce what is the digital copra. So you can select the database from there. So this database I have already taken from the digital copra. So this is the database, and there are many mobile communication apps database are available. You can see. So let's suppose I select the, here are Twitters and Viber, WhatsApp, and there are many other mobile communication apps are available, but I want to export the file from the WhatsApp. So let's me select the database of WhatsApp. So click, and there are many files are related, like you can see here, and I want to export the message store.db file. So click here and open this file. So there are many data, so I want to choose a specific message, and you can see here the messages, many messages, because I have already choose the message stored db file. So if there are messages file, so because there is no data, that's why I need to that file in which available database. So let's select another message. Okay, so we can select a good file in which we can export the database in the CSV file. So this is the message file. There are many data attributes. You can see ID, key, remote, and all are the options. So you can go to file and click export. Simply here are three options: SQL, CSV and JSON. So our video is belongs to the CSV file. Why we are making here CSV file? In next video I will discuss that. So CSV file, click here, and this will be ask the where you want to store this file. I just go to click save, and this will be automatically ask where I want to store this file. Let's suppose I stored this file on C and desktop. So you can see the file name with .csv file, and go to save it. Export completed. Okay, then you can close your database file, and this is my messages.csv file. So let's move to see data inside of the Excel file. So this is my sorry. So this is my CSV file. You can see before CSV file I introduce the attributes like ID, key remote, and key from me, key ID, and many more. So this is the our exporting file from the database, and it's very easy and very simple way to use how to export database file into the MS Excel CSV file. So I hope you understand easily, and thank you for watching. I will come with next video. Take care. Bye.